How to fix Facebook page restricted. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook and scroll down, click on storage option now and go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data. Click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do right now, you have to go to battery, click on optimize it, and that's it. Go and restart your phone. After this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you another video.